In this video, we will learn how to complete Step 1, Basics while creating a course. For example, if we are creating a video editing for beginners course, we will fill each field like this. 1. Title, enter the name of your course. Example, Video Editing for Beginners. Keep the title clear, professional, and directly related to your course. 2. Language, select the main language of your course. Example, if our course is taught in English, we will select English 3. Course URL, add a short and simple URL based on your course title. Example, video dash, editing dash for dash, beginners. Try to keep the URL short and easy to remember. 4. Description. Write a brief introduction explaining what the course is about, what students will learn, and who the course is for. Example, learn the basics of video editing and create professional-looking videos using simple editing techniques. This course is designed for beginners who want to start their video editing journey. 5. Content blocks. Content blocks allow you to add different types of information to your course description. You can use heading for section titles, rich text for detailed information, layout to organize your content, image to add relevant visuals, video to add an introduction or preview video. 6. Difficulty level. Choose the level that matches your course. Example, for video editing for beginners, we will select Beginner 7, course type. Select the category or type that best matches your course. 8. Visibility. Choose whether your course should be visible to students. Schedule will use this option if you want your course to be published on a specific date and time. We can schedule it for that time. 10. Featured image upload a professional thumbnail or cover image for your course. Example, for video editing for beginners, we can use a professional image showing a video editing workspace or editing software. 11. Intro, video, URL. Add the URL of your course introduction video if available. 12. Pricing model select whether your course is free or paid. Free 13. Certificate settings. Configure the certificate option according to your course requirements. We have completed Step 1, Basics for our Video Editing for Beginners course. In the next step, we will create the course curriculum and add the actual learning content.